Welcome back to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for exploring the latest automotive marvels. Today we're diving into the exhilarating world of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC. This compact luxury SUV continues to set benchmarks with its fusion of cutting-edge technology, refined luxury, and thrilling performance. Let's get started. A design that turns heads. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC offers an updated design that's bold yet sophisticated. Its aggressive front fascia features the signature AMG-specific Panamericana grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights. The sculpted body lines and muscular stance give it a commanding road presence. From the side, the sporty AMG wheels, ranging from 19 to 21 inches, add a dynamic edge. At the rear, quad exhaust outlets integrated into a distinctive diffuser remind you of its AMG pedigree. This SUV isn't just about performance, it's a statement of modern luxury. Powertrain in performance. Under the hood, the 2025 AMG GLC packs a punch. It comes with a potent 2.0-liter inline-4 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Don't let the engine size fool you. This setup delivers a whopping 469 horsepower and 402 horsepower vehicle in the GLC 63 SE performance variant. Released rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, thanks to its advanced 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system. And AMG Speed Shift multi-clutch transmission. Whether you're carving through winding roads or cruising on the highway, the AMG GLC promises a drive that's both exhilarating and controlled. Enhanced driving dynamics. Mercedes-AMG has equipped the GLC with cutting-edge technology to elevate your driving experience. The AMG Ride Control Plus suspension, with adaptive damping, ensures a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. The rear axle steering, standard on higher trims, and stability at high speeds. For those who love customization, the AMG Dynamic Select drive modes allow you to tailor the vehicle's performance to your mood. From comfort for relaxed cruising to race for track-ready thrills, there's a mode for every occasion. Tech-forward cabin. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's the epitome of luxury and technology. The AMG GLC features the latest infotainment system, displayed on a high-resolution 11.9-inch touchscreen. With intuitive controls and advanced voice commands, it makes every interaction seamless. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays including AMG-specific performance data. Add in the optional augmented reality navigation and you'll find navigating even the busiest streets a breeze. This is a big difference from the current data-driven set of devices, such as the spotlights of battery electric and digital pickups. Premium materials like Nappa leather, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting make the cabin feel like a first-class lounge. The AMG performance seats provide excellent support, ensuring comfort whether you're on a long road trip or pushing the car to its limits. Safety and assistance. Mercedes never compromises on safety, and the AMG GLC is no exception. The SUV is packed with advanced driver assistance features, including active lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, Pre-Safe Plus, which prepares the vehicle for an impending collision. These systems work together to make every journey safer and more enjoyable. Sustainable performance. While the AMG GLC prioritizes performance, it doesn't ignore sustainability. The mild hybrid system not only boosts power, but also improves efficiency, ensuring you get the most out of every gallon of fuel. Mercedes-AMG is paving the way for greener performance vehicles without compromising on excitement. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC starts around $65,000 for the GLC 43 variant, with the GLC 63 SE Performance reaching closer to $95,000. With its impressive mix of luxury, technology, and performance, it's a compelling choice in the compact luxury SUV segment. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of innovation and driving passion. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or someone seeking a luxurious daily driver, this SUV delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning in to Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest automotive trends. See you in the next video.